Yesterday we took a look at just simply declaring variables and had a chance to come in and play with that today in class. What we're going to work with next, though, is this concept of letting the user tell you some of the information that you want to use. Because right now, all we've done is program it in. We haven't given the user we're creating the program really a chance to speak up. And now we want to give them that opportunity. So here's how we do it. We're going to, for right now, use what is called a scanner. And what a scanner allows us to do is scan in from the keyboard the information that we want. So, in order to do this, we have to go back up here above the class. We can go below package. I'll start on line 6. And we're going to type in Java. What did it bring up? It's import java.utility.scanner. And it's airing out right now. It's simply telling me I have not used the import yet. Well, we're about to. Now, here's the tricky thing with this import. Is you need the text. This is where programming logic and procedure come into play. We need to make sure that our user knows what it is we want from them. So you're going to learn here proper variable naming structure, and we're going to also show you the sequence of how to scan information in. So for this, we're going to have our user enter in, I'm going to have them enter in 2 strings and 2 numbers. So I don't want to make our code very hectic with declaring everything as we're going along. I'm going to make these declarations right now in this method. So I'm going to go string user name. Just a refresher for those who forgot, this is known as camel casing, where the first letter of a variable is lowercase and every other word that in there has the first letter capitalized. So username, and if I use a comma, then I can also continue to type another variable name and it will know that it's the same string type. I'm going to call it birthday. That's one word, so we'll keep it the same. So right now we created 2 variables, string username and string birthday. So both of those are going to be literal strings of text that the user types in. What I'm also going to create is an integer and call it num1 and num2. Very good. Now, I also up here have to name a scanner. So this is creating an instance where we're taking something that previously exists. So the scanner already exists, but we have to give it a name so that our program knows specifically what to do with it. So we're going to call it scanner, and this year we're going to use the word type. No, I'm not. Instead, I'm going to use input. Oh, I remember what they used. Scanner keyboard equals new scanner system.in. So our scanner's name is going to be keyboard. We could create other instances of the same scanner and have it type in at different times, but we do not need to do that. We only need to create this instance once, as you will learn about later on. Now it's a matter of getting the program to show up the way we want it to. And how we're going to do that is coming up in the next video.